Now that we've seen the benefits of specialization according to comparative advantage, we'll dive into a similar example, but with two individuals that must trade with each other in order to get what they like to consume. In this example, we'll also explore a more detailed representation of production possibilities. All right, so here we have two neighbors, the farmer and the rancher. And unlike Jim and Cindy, they don't care about some good jointly. They only care about what they individually get to consume. There are two goods that they like to consume, meat and potatoes. And of course, they need to use a resource, in this case, time, to produce those goods. This table represents production, how we transform resources into consumption goods. And it tells me for each person the time it takes to produce each product. So the first question is, who has the absolute advantage in producing meat and who has the absolute advantage in producing potatoes? Recall that what we want to do is look for the person with the lowest resource cost of producing each good. So for meat, I can see that the farmer's cost of producing meat is 20 hours, but the rancher can produce a pound of meat in just 1 hour. So the rancher has an absolute advantage in producing meat, and the rancher also has an absolute advantage in producing potatoes, producing a pound of potatoes in just 8 hours instead of 10. So just like the last example, here we have a situation where one person is better at producing both goods, but will demonstrate that they can both benefit through specialization and trade.